How are you lads? Welcome back to Tools with Cars. We are up here now with Alan and John to do a car cave of what they have in store for us. So tune in and give us a watch. Yeah, so lads, we're down here and Alan has, what year is this, Alan?
1984, that one.
1984 Vanette pickup.
Yeah.
Is that originally a pickup?
It is.
It is. I didn't actually think they originally came.
They were few and far between, yeah.
There must have been few and far between, yeah.
And this one worked its entire life on a quarry since it came in from Japan in 85. It landed here.
Right.
Down in Wicklow, Oakland's quarry.
Oh, right,
and
okay.
She had a rough life.
She wouldn't have had an easy life in a quarry now.
She had a rough life.
Yeah.
So when we got it, majority of it was rotten.
Okay.
Absolutely rotten. So the whole front pillar had collapsed.
Right.
I think we put 3 full sheets of steel into it. Welding.
Oh, jeez, wow.
Yeah.
She got a right bit of work and so.
We ripped this one apart. Cab was off, body was off, everything.
Does cab and body comes off the chassis on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's handy enough to split it, I suppose, then. So
in a sense, the wiring loom was the hard part for us.
Right.
Because it doesn't just disconnect like the way cars do.
Yeah.
Because the loom just comes straight up and separates into wherever it goes. So we had to try and relocate everything then.
Yes.
Put it back together. But it was a slog.
And did you do much of the work on it yourself?
Yeah, there was us and another friend of ours, Aaron.
Right.
Aaron done all the metal work and painting and everything else on it.
He must be fairly talented at the metal work and painting on it, because he's done a great job on it. So
Bit of a genius, all right.
And what decided to draw you to a Vanette? Like, they wouldn't have had much of a following in Ireland, and like this would have been highest territory times, like, and then you know.
So when I was growing up, my mother and father had Nissan Vanettes over the years, and they would have brought us off camping and doing loads of things.
So it's the memories and so.
Corners of the country, so there's a nostalgic element.
There's a nostalgic element in it, yeah.
So, yeah.
It's class. Like it's so different. Like we have at home an 84 highest pickup.
Great.
And you can see so many similarities. Like even in the door, there's a bulge and it's similar to it, and the pillars and everything. Like
they were practically the same.
Practically the same, yeah.
It's like
that's not column shift, though, is it?
It was originally,
right.
But me being 6'3", I couldn't. I couldn't engage second, fourth, or reverse.
Yes.
So
you're hitting your knee.
Yeah. My knee was in the way, so I had to kind of shimmy up out of the way and then change gear, and it was horrible.
So what did you do? You put a floor shift in it then, did you?
We basically bored a hole down through the floor and connected up a whole load of linkages
and still, though, original gearbox.
Still the original gearbox.
So you just made do and
managed to make everything work.
Right.
Now, we can't get parts for this, so we were trying to find old vans from anywhere we could. There's probably a few vans sitting around in sheds or in scrapyards or somewhere hidden away. Haven't seen the light of day for years, and we made do what we could.
So basically what you're saying is if anybody sees this video on the Vanette lying in a shed somewhere that they want rid of,
hit me up,
hit them up, yeah. And I see if this one's running on AdBlue as well. She's running on modern technology here, so she is.
That was to keep the guards off me back.
And she's electric too, is she?
Yeah, there's a bit of everything in it now.
She's a mixture of everything.
To keep Greta Thunberg happy.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And then you have, is this the original body, or is this a...
The frame of it is original. We cut the wood. We had to cut all the metal out because obviously that was rotten.
Yeah.
There was the side gates on it. They were gone beyond use as well.
Yes.
I may still put side gates onto it, but we're going to have to make them. And then my dad cut up all the wood, and we
made a nice job with like the wooden bed on it. It's a good job. So
it worked out well. We poured all the wood down with blow torches and varnish and so on.
Made a nice finish of it, like so.
It turned out well.
You've all engraved it too, have you?
A couple of the names of the people who've worked on it. So myself, John, James, my dad, my younger brother's name still has to go on it.
Yes.
There's a few of us there.
And what, the 5 stud as well, is it?
4 stud.
Oh, it is 4 stud, is it?
Studs.
Oh yeah, the multi-fitment wheel, yeah.
Yeah, myself and John had to go up to Mayo to get these wheels.
Right. What do you know what PCD it is? Like, is it
4x114.3?
Yeah. Oh, same. It's just old Jap, I suppose. Like, the Evo, some of the older Evos. I think the Evo I have even is 4x114.3 as well. So
we found it hard to get the wheels. Pretty difficult
to get the right fit too. Like, yeah. And obviously, it's back wheel drive drums and all that on the back of it too. Yeah.
They rattle.
a lot of extras, optional extras added to it too. So you have.
So the original reason I actually bought this was to bring my little one off camping.
Right.
A little camping trip. So I got a tent that's, funny enough, matched the same colours as the van.
Right.
And it sits perfectly on the bed.
So, right. It must be like is it just a pop-up tent, like, or is it a solid?
Yeah, just a standard
and it fits
tent,
perfectly on the bed.
It sits there, and basically you have about a foot off the end, and that's your.
That's brilliant.
And you can step up onto it, and you're off the ground, and it works.
And away you go camping.
Away we go camping.
Can't beat it, huh?
Yeah.
But it's like that to her is obviously then like your parents.
Exactly.
You know, so she's gonna grow up. She's gonna grow up to be a Vanette head too, isn't she?
If she can take the hardship, yeah.
Yeah, she can take the hardship. Yeah.
Yeah, she loves going off on little spins, going to car shows and stuff like that.
But
she
sure,
loves it.
like kids nowadays love that because it's like these, you don't see stuff like this anymore.
No.
Like, and to kids nowadays, that's weird. Like, but it's cool to them.
Yeah.
So it is like
This one gets a hell of a lot of attention from kids.
I'd say so.
Especially with the likes of the headlights and the gear stick and so on and so forth.
Yeah. It's
so many
all
different
little
elements.
things like that, so it is, you know, like my wee lass, he loves when I bring her out in the GTIR and stuff like that as well. It's even just the noise and like the vents and stuff like that.
It's just different to a normal car. Normal
Isn't
cars,
it?
normal
They're
cars
boring.
nowadays are just standard and
there's nothing
flashy
fun about them, so it's
yeah.
not. Like these are fun, like but these are proper driving cars as well. Like there's no, like you've no ABS, no traction control, nothing in this thing. Like
no airbags.
no airbags, no
We
nothing.
die like real men.
Die like real men, yeah. Yeah. And looking around in the shed here, like yous have pictures of cars and shows, and like yous are obviously big car heads too. Like
We always have. We kind of grew up that way.
Yeah.
A lot of the cars that are on the wall here behind us are ours.
Is that
over the
is that a Vanette or is that a highest pickup there actually?
That's this.
Oh, that's that, is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That was the day we got
There
our
you
back on
go.
the trailer.
Right, jeez.
We couldn't engage
You
gears.
didn't try driving her up the road.
No, we couldn't engage any of the gears. So a friend of
Alright.
ours, John, another John, he had to get in underneath and kind of lamp the gear levers back into gear so we could move it.
Oh jeez.
They were duct taped together, funny enough.
Right.
So
You wouldn't know what they're at then.
fix everything. Yeah, absolutely everything.
Skateboard, are they?
Skateboard wheels
Skateboard wheels as well, yeah.
on the windows.
And you've every child's dream carpet on that.
I do.
Oh my God, I got years of playing with one of them when I was a child. It's like a core memory locked away in my head is just playing on them mats, so it is.
And then when we set up at the likes of shows and stuff like that, I have a lot of little tiny cars and
Oh, brilliant.
Set them
Set
out
them
on-
out on the
set
mat.
them out.
Class. Yeah.
keeps the kids happy.
Original dash and everything too. Like they were so plain and simple, like, but they were just what people needed. Like.
Functioned.
They done what, you can guarantee it's always going to go for you, like when you know, when
Functioned.
when you go out and you flick the key, she's not going to let you down. We'll move over to the van of the Vanettes now, so we will. This is freshly painted, is it?
She was painted about 6 to 8 months ago,
Right.
give or take. So she still needs a good flat and polish, and there's plenty of work being done on this one.
Yeah,
She's
she's
causing
nice.
a bit of heartache.
All right.
Paint reactions and
Oh, Daniel knows all about that.
yeah.
He's well up to date on that, so he is at the minute.
Unfortunately.
And have you this long?
We have this one, I think, 2 years now.
Right.
And then we were kind of just chipping away at it, and the engine was giving us a bit of bother. So the alternator was gone, the fuel pump was rotten, absolutely destroyed from the inside out. So just from sitting around,
Just
really.
from sitting around, yeah.
So-
And it was probably sitting outside too, where you just found it, was it?
That's exactly it.
Done deal, find?
No.
No.
A friend of ours, the lads that done the tow bar,
Right.
in Irish truck bodies, they gave us the heads up, and I swore blind. I was like, never, ever let me touch one of these vans again. And then a week later, this
one popped up.
Like, talk to me about it. What were we doing?
It's just one of them things, you can't get it out of your system, so you can't.
Yeah.
You always swear you'll not do it, you'll never buy another one, you'll not do this, you'll not do
Yeah.
And look at you.
And they had done a hell of a lot of welding work around the body of it. So
Okay.
that was all done before we got it.
Well, that's at least that.
And then obviously they kind of ran out of time or patience, or they had too much going on in their world, so we took it. So
Oh, you have her taxed as well. Is she on the road?
we had it at Bornabrina. That
Right.
was our maiden voyage, and we hadn't had it out before at that point.
Oh, God.
So we had literally just done the inside. It was a big rush. I
Yeah.
said I wanted it at Bornabrina. And
Yes.
I wanted the two vans sitting side by side. And we got it from here to Bornabrina, and she boiled herself.
Oh, lovely.
So when we got it back down and got it back into the garage, we went digging, and it turns out that all of the ports, anywhere that water should be going, it wasn't going.
It was just blocked.
Yeah, water pump was gone.
Oh, lovely.
So we scoured the entire world trying to find a water pump, and eventually found one sitting in a shed in Latvia.
Latvia. How did you even manage to find that?
It's just connections.
Connections,
People
yeah.
just
I suppose
word
when
of
you're
mouth.
into Vanettes, you know more people, and it's
Yeah.
as you say, it's connections.
It's
then
the car
like,
community.
it's
It's just, yeah, people kind of come together and they hear things, and
yeah,
eventually
people know what this sort of stuff is and
just
stuff like
comes
that
around.
too. Yeah, yeah. You could make a bit of a camper out of it too, so you could if you wanted to.
You could make a day van out of it, yeah.
Yeah. Sliding door on this side, is it?
Yeah, sliding doors over this side.
Oh yeah, and then it's probably a lift up back door on it too, is it?
No, she just slides straight along. No, she's
The back door lifts up though, it's it, isn't it?
yeah, the tail end.
The tail end lifts, and that slides down. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just full of stuff now.
Full of stuff.
Parts.
Sometimes that's a problem with having a van in a shed too.
Throw it in there.
Just
Be
throw it
grand.
in there; it'll never be seen. Yeah. There's good height in the back of them too, isn't there? Like.
You'd never stand up in it, but
No, but it's still they're a good size.
yeah, you agree.
And is she 2 litre straight as well?
2 litre straight diesel.
She's a tight squeeze.
Tight squeeze.
Now we have John here with his absolutely gorgeous Corolla E10. Are they still E10 with the silver top in them?
AE 101.
AE 101, that was the silver top, genuine silver top in them. That's 2 litre? No. What are they? 1.6, 20 valve.
20 valve, yeah.
20 valve silver top, yeah. Similar engine to what was in the AE 111 11, isn't it?
Yeah.
There was, maybe the 11s had a silver top too, had
And
they?
the black top.
They had the black top as well. The black top was probably more common in them than the silver top, I suppose.
Yeah.
And you bought this as a shell, you were telling me earlier, yeah?
Very little, mostly just interior bits left in it.
You were lucky to have the
Got lucky
interior in
with
it.
the seats,
Yeah, yeah.
Pictures somewhere of it.
Of it as it came
as
too.
it came, yeah.
And it had, was the skirts, bumpers and stuff on it? No.
No, there was no bumpers, no skirts, no mud flaps.
Yeah.
It was all
It,
salt.
it was all gone off it. She'd been well picked apart.
She was, yeah.
And you done well then to get skirts and
I
bumpers.
travelled countrywide.
You
for the
done a
bits,
good bit of
yeah,
travelling because
did.
I know that stuff is very hard
A
got
lot of
now.
lads in Cork helped me out.
Right. Just again, people through the community account, I suppose, yeah.
Great lads, yeah.
And sunroof.
Yeah.
There wouldn't have been, a sunroof wouldn't have been too common in the Maida.
No, I believe it's a limited edition one.
All right.
It has the sunroof. It has no ABS. It's on McPherson suspension. So
Oh, there's no ABS in it either. Oh, and she's McPherson because a lot of them would have been super strut, wouldn't it?
Strut, yeah.
The super strut give it an awful lot of
There's a lot,
trouble in them
yeah.
though, wasn't it? And then it was very expensive when it
There's
went
a lad
wrong.
in Poland rebuilding them all now.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Rebuilding the arms and stuff
Yeah.
like that in them. And you have probably the most common set of alloys that was ever on
I
an
have them
E10.
alloys since around 09.
You've just been moving them from car to car.
House to house, corner to corner.
Yeah, they're a lovely wheel. I have to say, I love TSW styles myself. They're 15s, are they?
Yeah.
They're 15s, yeah. They're worth a lot of money stelts now too.
Yeah.
They're,
Even
they're,
the caps alone.
the caps alone are worth money, yeah. And any future plans, Rang, for the Corolla?
I'm thinking about coilovers. I'm not sure yet.
Yeah.
That's it really.
You-
It is going away to get a bit of work done.
Right.
Back NCT. It's,
Yeah. And you were saying earlier as well, you're a lad that likes, you're a bit like me, you like to keep stuff original.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now the only thing I might be changing the wheels. I don't know.
Mm.
It'd be a hard thought.
Be a hard thought to change them now because I like the stelts on them, so they.
That's it really. There's nothing else. Maybe a roof spoiler. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think I heard the DC2 roof spoiler fits
you
them
just
fairly
put
well,
up
doesn't it?
the notch for the-
Yeah. If I had known that, I've one line at the house.
Oh God.
I could have brought it up for you. I wouldn't mind. I bought a DC2 and I was told it'd fit a DC5 and it obviously didn't. And it's lying there ever since. But she's a centre armrest and stuff like that in her as
It
well.
has nearly all the optional extras. There's a tray under the seat. There's a clean box, the original.
Clean box inside in it as well.
The optional extra steering wheel, hard to get as well.
Right, yeah.
Good few nice bits in it.
And sunroof wise, is that an electronic?
Yeah, electric
Tilt and slide,
yeah.
tilt and slide. Wow, yeah, just stuff like that. Like, you just don't see it anymore. It's so nice to see a sunroof. I'd be a bit of a freak for sunroofs and stuff like
originally
that.
just wanted a Corolla van, but just popped up and...
The van ones of these were lovely. Yeah, I'm actually in the process of trying to buy a white van, one of them at the minute. Like, yeah. I'm making big money now too. Like, yeah, they all are. All the Toyotas are making big money.
There's actually a red one imported into the country recently.
A van?
No.
A car?
Corolla GT.
Oh, right.
With the wing mirrors on the wing, like.
Oh, on the wing?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be class. Yeah.
Fresh in.
That would be nice. I was also a fan of the wing mirrors out on the wings.
Yeah,
like, you know, it's completely pointless, but it's just so cool. So it is. And we go round here as well. You have the nice. I seen it on there. The garnish on the back. Obviously, that's original to the.
Yeah, well, I had to get that imported. A friend of mine imported that for me.
Oh, because it was gone off it. It's probably the first. Yeah, it was probably the first thing that was gone off it too. Everybody loves to try and get them garnished, so they do. Yeah, black door hands, black mouldings, all that's original.
I think they're meant to be red, but I wanted to break up all the red.
Break it up, yeah. Sometimes you can have too much of one colour, can't you?
I've seen plenty of them all red, and I didn't kind of like it.
Yeah.
So I liked a little bit of black in it.
Yeah, so this one is the silver top. Oh yeah, 20 valve, throttle bodies and the whole lot. Strut brace and all from factory as well. She's nice. You've all the blue hoses and stuff in it too. Very good. It is, it's nice now, so it is. You don't see many of the silver tops now.
They're very rare, yeah. I'd like to build a spare one.
They did give a bit of bottom end trouble, didn't they? Yeah, the black top's done it as well, like it wasn't just silver top only. That 20 valve engine did give a bit of bottom end rattle as far as I know now. Alan, can you teach Daniel this?
Of course I can.
Can you teach Daniel how to wash other people's cars, will you?
If you leave it there long enough, we'll just clean it.
Daniel will drop a few cars up here on the quiet. He's a handy man to know. Yeah. I love the FX grille and the spots in the front bumper and everything like that as well. Like, it's just stuff you don't see. Like, especially FX. Like, nobody that wouldn't, like, a lot of people wouldn't know what that is. Yeah. But if you've been through one of these and you know your Corollas, you know straight away that's a GT. Like, so it is. So, but anyways, I think we've enough there at that. Alan, John, I'd like to say thank you very much for talking to us about the Corolla. Alan, thank you very much for showing us all as well. Thank you very much for having us down, lads. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if any of you have a car cave that you would like to show off, feel free to reach out to us on ToolzWithCarz on social media, or just send us an email at toolswithcarz@gmail.com. And thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please give us a like and a subscription. Boom.
Buy my merch.
Buy my merch, yeah. Buy our fucking merch.